Dear friends, it's an honor to pilot such a high tension and highly ranked training event, TEXLA, and it's a privilege to be with and to introduce such high profile trainers who glorify the stage where they stand. जैसे किसी भी शुभ कार्य के लिए सबसे पहले गणेश वंदना होती है, हम टेक्सला की शुरुआत सबके दिलों में बसने वाले हमारे छोटे सरदार जी की इंट्रोडक्शन से करते हैं. बैचलर इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड एन एक्सपर्ट इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, एक्सेल ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम JCI यूनिवर्सिटी, who is instrumental in designing and authoring various training manuals, literature and books. He must have conducted more than 600, why we are counting, he must have conducted more than 1,000 training programs for JCs, Lions, Rotary, banks, insurance companies, educational institutes and so on. You must be fascinated with this very glorified and wide personality. He is backbone for this TEXLA. Please, my friends, put your hands together for one of the finest personality on TEXLA faculty panel, JC Saravjeet Singh Quatra. Guru of Gurus and Dabang of our TEXLA team, originator of this concept born again and mentor for many, successful businessman, executive member of Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, successful family man from Fagwada, happily married to Paramjit Bhabi and blessed with a son and 2 daughters, joined JC movement in 1985 and in just 15 years he travelled the distance in Indian JCs. Excel graduate who has designed and piloted Crusade, JTWS, LOTS, Goldmine, TEXLA, Presidential Academy and NTTTS. Please welcome with a round of applause past National President JC Mukhinder Singh. Mentor of mentors. आप समझ गए ना मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूं? संकट मोचन रमन बाजी, past Executive Vice President of JCI India, international graduate from JCI University. Besides piloting many training programs for JCI India, he has conducted certified training programs at Asia Pacific conferences and World Congress. Businessman by profession, he is married to Saroj and blessed with 2 daughters and a son. Please put your hands together with thunderous applause past Executive Vice President JC Raman Nayyar. एक और गुरु जिनके अंडर मैंने टेक्सला किया, born at Ludhiana, he is MCom LLB. He has piloted many programs in JCs, LOTS, Speechcraft, Kumar, JTWS, Shakti, TEXLA, leadership camps, national level orientation seminar. He has been faculty at Prime and NTTDS. He has travelled widely in Hong Kong, Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, Cambodia, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and China. You must be wondering where he is today. He is still studying in United States of America. That's why he is not there today as presenter. He is industrialist, married to Sweetie Bhabi and blessed with son Raghav and daughter Shakshi. Please put your hands together for another pillar of TEXLA team, JC Dinesh Kapila. अब बारी है हमारे VD सर की. An MBA having experience of 19 years in advertising and marketing. He joined JCs in 1997 and became Zone Governing Board member in 2001, national trainer and Nalandian. He is working as divisional officer with LIC, married to Gitanjali Datta and blessed with 2 daughters, Sumedha and Kalyani. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए हमारे हैंडसम फैकल्टी मेंबर JC वरिंदर दत्ता का. The first debutant is very strong administrator born in 1970 and a medical science graduate. After that, he was impressed with the sentence, "कानून के हाथ बहुत लंबे होते हैं," and then he became advocate in 1992. He is member of Chamber of Industrial and Commercial Undertaking. He joined JCs in 1995. He became ZP in 2006, and he was General Legal Counsel of Indian JCs for 2 successive years. He is a national trainer. He has piloted lab and lots. He is happily married to Preeti Bhabhi. He is blessed with 2 sons, Harshit and Chaitanya. Please put your hands together for this first debutant faculty of TechSla Team 2011, JC Mahesh Arora. Let me introduce a gentleman who is a good orator, having good poetic sense. ये आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा आने वाले 2 दिनों में. As a professional, he is running a institute called Gyan Gurukul. He has been awarded as Best Physics Lecturer, Best Skilled Science Teacher. He was selected by NCTE at a national level in science teaching in January 2006, and he is also authoring certain books for leading publication of India. As far as his JC career is concerned, he is the fastest running zone president. He joined JCs in 2005 and he was zone president in 2010 in just 5 years. He is a NOM coordinator, NLTS 2011, JCI India, happily married to Vasudha Bhabhi and blessed with son Adamya Vir Jain and a cute doll Abhyuddha. Please put your hands together for this debutant faculty team member, JC Keshav Jain. अब बारी है another dynamic and handsome debutant की, who is an engineer, who is involved in manufacture and export of critical diesel fuel injection spares. He has received awards from CII and EEPC for outstanding performance for 2 successive years. As a part of social responsibility, he is running a fully equipped, ultra-hygienic charitable hospital for the poor and needy. He is a JCI designer and head trainer. Besides conducting various training programs, he has conducted various talk shows as well. Married to Sonika Bhabhi, he is blessed with Vanshika, Ashreya, Shashank and Shaisha. Put your hands together for the fuel pump of TechSla, JC Rahul Ahuja.